Hello everyone, my name is Anmol and currently I'm working as a data analyst and I am a Microsoft certified data analyst. Today in this video we will see how we can create a Power BI report using ChatGPT. So basically what we have to do first we have to establish the role. So we will enter the prompt as pretend to be a senior data analyst. You can also enter it as pretend to be a Power BI developer as we are specifically want to create Power BI report. Then what you have to do next is you have to introduce yourself, at what level you are, what kind of knowledge you have. So we will enter the next prompt as I am a beginner data analyst. Then we will ask ChatGPT that suggest some topics or suggest some reports which I can create. So as you can see here, it has suggested me 5 projects, or we can say 5 reports. We can either choose it from here, or let's suppose I want to create a HR analytics report. So I will enter the prompt as I want to create a HR analytics report. Can you help me with it? Then when we have to create a report, first what we need is we need data set. So everything we do is we will do with the help of ChatGPT. So we will ask ChatGPT that provide me sample data set. So now as you can see, it has provided us the report and the format here is CSV. So what you have to do next is either you can copy this and paste it, or we can say ChatGPT that convert it into tabular form. After entering this prompt, you can see we can clearly explore the dataset. It has provided us the columns like employee ID, department, positions, performance rating, engagement score, and it will provide us around 20 rows. So what we have to do is we can simply copy this dataset and paste it into Excel and save this file. Then we will again go back to ChatGPT and ask, can you explain the dataset to me? By entering this prompt, you can get the basic idea of what dataset is trying to convey. So this is about how to create the dataset using ChatGPT. Next, our next task is to import the data into Power BI desktop and then start exploring it and create the report. So we'll open Power BI desktop. Once the Power BI desktop is open, you will see this interface. Then you can simply click on get data and then you can import the Excel workbook. So after importing the data, what's our next task is we have to decide what kind of visuals we have to create, what type of analysis we have to do. So we will simply ask ChatGPT that provide me 5 visuals which we can create using this data. So as you can see here, it has provided me the title of the visual, then the type of visual which we have to create, and then it will show me the detail about that visuals. So this is about how to get the idea about the visual which we have to create. Then let's suppose you have to create some measures, so we will enter create 10 measures for this report. So now as you can see, it has provided me 10 measures for the analysis purpose. What we have to do is simply we have to just copy this code and paste it as a DAX measures in Power BI report. Then let's suppose you want some more visuals using these measures. So you simply have to enter the prompt as I am using these measures. Provide me more suggestions for the visuals. You can also modify the prompt as add the measures to with the suggestions. Simply save and submit and it will update the result. So now you don't have to do anything, you simply have to enter the good prompts to ChatGPT. It will provide you all the things. It has provided you the dataset. If you ask for the transformation, then it will provide you the steps what you have to do. Then you have to create measures, so you simply have to enter the prompt. It will automatically create the measures. You just have to copy and paste. Then it will also provide you the suggestions for the visuals, which visual you have to create, which measure you have to use. Now let's suppose you want more detail, that which columns you have to use in these visuals. So again you can modify the prompt. So you get everything handy. This is the measure which you have to use. This is the columns which you have to use. On x-axis you have to use department, on y-axis you have to use the measure. Then it has provided the visual type which you have to use. You simply have to use this detail to create your report, and within half hour or 1 hour your report will be ready. So in this way you can create a Power BI report using ChatGPT. Thank you very much.